talk that you guys made a sex tape.
I specifically told you guys not to ask that question. I will walk. I will walk, motherfucker. Hey, Kelly, why don't you meet me after the show and I'll show you my hard wooden dick.
Guy is so...
There are plenty of guys that look like me, short, Jewish. You're not Jewish. Short. When you work in a film, it's a trust thing, and sometimes you get a little close.
Kerri! Kerri! Oh,
Bastard.
oh no!
I will not cater to the curiosity of the press. And so finally, for once and for all, I will say emphatically, we fucked.